Greetings and welcome. How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Pennsylvania, USA. I'm Emre, the webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I want to show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Pennsylvania. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy other cryptocurrencies. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use the 20% commission kickback link and codes. That is our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all informations about cryptocurrencies, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and news and articles. Now, list of top cryptocurrencies. We can click this button. In this page, we can get information about best cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Litecoin, Cardano, Binance Coin, and others. Yes. We want to buy Bitcoin in Pennsylvania. But firstly, we need information about Bitcoin. We can click Info. In this page, we can get all information about Bitcoin. Now, we are living in Pennsylvania. How to buy Bitcoin with easy way. Just click this button. Let's go.